Songbird, I Can't Wait. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Sarah Rose.
Go get it, girl.
I love that song. Miss Sarah Rose, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. Awesome, honey.